Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Greg's Restorations. Today we are here with two very special projects. We've got a 1983 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ60, and we've got a 1989 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ62 that we have done two full frame-off restorations on. The main difference between these two trucks was the FJ62 behind us was geared to be a more modern vehicle. We were getting into the late 80s. They tried to modernize the FJ60 series chassis as much as it could be before being phased out into the 80 series Land Cruiser. With the Land Cruiser I'm right next to, this FJ60, it is a 2F with a H55F transmission. Originally it had a 4-speed, but we opted to do with a 5-speed in this. So as you can see on the two of these trucks, the bodies are the same, but the front ends of these trucks are different. So on the FJ60, they have a 7-inch seal beam headlight. These are actually a upgraded H4 that Toyota offers, but they also have a different headlight surround, different turn signal position. The grills are slightly different. This truck has headlight washers in it, so when you have the headlights on and the wipers on, it will squirt washer fluid on the headlights as well. The bumpers on these trucks are different. The FJ60 bumper is about 1 inch narrower and has a drop position on the front of the bumper, versus the FJ62 has just a solid tube bumper across. I'm guessing for crash test ratings and stuff like that is why they changed. As you can see on the FJ62, they have 4x6 seal beam headlights with a different turn signal position. As I've noticed working on these trucks, the bodies are the same, but the stamping on the newer models were slightly different. We've had trucks in the past that we've had to get used panels for, and stuff didn't line up when they stamped these trucks over and over again. After hundreds of thousands of trucks, the stamps were slightly different. The trucks are pretty cool. They definitely have some other features that are different. As you can see on these two trucks, the mirrors are different. The FJ62 has a much larger mirror and its power. The FJ60 has a more smaller, compact mirror that is manual. You'd have to move it by hand. They both have steel chrome wheels. They both have disc brakes in the front axle. Looking in the engine bay of both of these trucks, you can see the complete differences between the two. This vehicle here has a 3FE with fuel injection. The FJ60 behind us has a 2F with a carburetor. As you can see in the engine bays, the air intake systems are completely different. You can also see the differences between the manifolds, the hose setups. This truck is more modern compared to the FJ60 behind us. So if you walk over to this truck over here, you can see it has still carburetor. It has a air cleaner on top of the engine versus in the passenger side wheel well area. There's a little bit more room in this engine bay, but the FJ62 has a little bit more torque and horsepower versus being a little bit more modern vehicle. If you can see these trucks completely apart, the floor plan on the FJ60 versus the FJ62 is different. The center consoles are different. We upgraded the center console to a Tuffy console in this FJ60, but it did have a much different center console versus the FJ62. We have a different dashboard, we have a different sound system, we have a different jack position. So the jack in this truck is underneath the driver's seat. In this truck, the FJ62, the jack is in the rear quarter panel. The back panels are different. In the back of these trucks, the FJ62 has speakers that came factory in the rear with covers. The FJ60 did not. Both steering wheels on these trucks are completely different. The horn buttons are different. The dash pads in these trucks are completely different, as you can see between the two. The dealer still offers a brand new dash for the FJ62, but not the 60. We could get into seat belts in the rear. Every year, these trucks changed, so even when going to order seat belts for these trucks, it's kind of difficult. Factory, FJ60 had rear lap belts, and then FJ62 had factory 3-point harness seat belts in the rear. FJ60 had manual crank windows, FJ62 had power windows with power locks. The trucks are very similar. Body panel wise, they're the same, but there are a lot of differences between these two trucks just to make the FJ62 the most modern out of the two vehicles. I like them both in their own ways. The FJ62 behind us is the end of the production run before they went to the 80 series Land Cruiser. So that is the last of its time.